Hi guys, Danny from On the Warpath here. A lot of people follow our travels around Australia because of our photos. Here are a few simple tips that make a good sunset pic. So one of the good photos to take at sunset with a smartphone is to have an object or a subject between you and the sun so it doesn't overexpose the photo. This is a good photo, having your kids looking towards the sunset and the sun on the other side of them. Working with the rule of thirds on the smartphone, you have either 2/3 land, 1/3 sky, or 2/3 sky, 1/3 land. And you can tell that by using the grid on your smartphone. One thing that makes photos look a bit funny, I think, is the horizon line not being level. So you can use that with your rulers on the smartphone, or you can do it after you've taken the photo and crop it so you can get it straight. Good to get a bit of action in your photos. These pelicans, just to get a bit of movement in the photo. There's people kayaking in front of the way the sun's setting there, so might add to the photo. Reflections always look good in a photo, and this photo here is a perfect example of using the reflections. You can see the sun just about to set, and you can see the reflection all the way in the water. Sometimes to get a good reflection, you've got to get down nice and low, close to the water. It's also good to wait for the water to go out so you get the reflection on the wet sand. Perspective is good for a picture because it leads your eye into the photo, and piers are a great spot at sunset to do that. So you actually get a lot of good shots for sunset after the sun has actually gone down. A lot of people leave early when the sun's gone, but 10 to 15 minutes after the sunset is perfect. I hope that helped. Good luck with your photos.